What's going on, guys? It's Nick Janusa. We're here at round 3 at High Point, coming off a good first 2 races. I got second in the opener, and I went 4-5 at Texas for a 5th overall, so I'm still sitting in 3rd in points right now, tied, which is pretty nice to be sitting here in the beginning of the season compared to last year. So weather's looking good for this weekend. Hard pack track. I'm looking forward to getting back on the hard pack. Even though I mostly train in the sand, it's really fun to change it up, and in a way I feel like it helps a little bit to train in sand looser, and kind of gives you that lesson each time I get on my own track where to find traction. So I'm looking forward to seeing what I can do. My setup's ready for this weekend, and I'm ready to get behind the gate.
In between last round and this round, I've just been training a lot. I feel mentally really good in this race. I took a little break before this race, a 3-day break, and I feel rested up and good to go, and I'm just excited to see what I can do. Hopefully I can get a podium and keep it going, and track looks really fun, really fast, and Blue Groove, I haven't got to test myself on that yet at a race, but I've been riding it at my house and I feel pretty good, and I'm sitting in 4th in points right now, and I'm looking to just stay consistent, keep doing my thing.
What's up, guys? We're here at High Point MX. It's a local race for me. Super pumped to be out here. The weather's awesome for us today. It's looking like it's going to be for tomorrow too. Track turned out to be pretty similar to what I've been riding on the past couple weeks, so for me it's pretty awesome to see that and the way it developed today, and hopefully it does the same for tomorrow, and we have a good weather forecast for us, looking good, and I feel good. I'm confident. I got to ride a lot more in between rounds. Unlike Texas, I didn't get to ride as much, so I feel a little more fit right now, and we're just ready to go out there and put down some consistent, safe laps. Bike's working just awesome right now. The Phoenix Racing team just has that thing dialed in. CST tires hooking up great as always. Ready to go out there and put on a show for you guys.
Soaking in grief like a parasite. Can't erase the cold constraints. These thoughts burn through like a candlelight. Can't hear the sounds, can't hear the sounds of the life I've built passing over me. But the factory means I can't be saved by anyone. I'm sorry I'm up to the same bullshit. But the fact remains I can't be saved by anyone. I'm sorry I'm up to the same bullshit. We can't breathe when we scream for the world to give in. Don't wanna feel the permanence. Don't wanna be the detriment. Just wanna take the life I love. Wake up every day and still breathe.
All right, we just finished up Moto 2 here. Swept the day. I really needed this. Huge confidence booster. I just was super motivated coming in here. I knew I needed to win this race and keep chopping away at the points lead. And I knew in the back of my head, I knew I could do it. It was just, after Texas, I put my head down and worked hard and got a little more fit, and I think that helped for this track. It was really technical through the turns and just really sticky. It was easy to make mistakes. So super fortunate to get both hole shots and have a clear track both races. Led every lap. I think I won by 10 and 12 seconds. So just you can't beat this type of weekend, and it's awesome. I'm super happy. We got to keep the momentum rolling in Aonia. I got to do it again and again after that, and then we'll be in the hunt for the championship, and you'll see where it ends up. But it's been a good year so far. I'm happy with it. Can't thank the Phoenix racing team enough.
All right, High Point, here we are, end of the day on a 2-2. My starts were terrible today, but I made some quick moves and got up to the sharp end, and just couldn't quite find that speed today. And man, Joel was ripping, and he nailed his starts, and he made the race look easy. And man, we're just gonna keep working, and just huge props to my team. Had a pretty good get off in practice, and just got to recover from that. And big thanks to everybody behind me, and we're gonna push on to Georgia.
Yeah, got a 3-3 today here at High Point. So pumped on that. I really needed this. It's going to help me with a lot of my confidence, and for the rest of the season, I got to turn it around. So it was great racing today. I'm stoked. So excited to go to Georgia and see what we can do there.